Hi, it's Dorothy Guining with Scrapbooking Quebec. In this video, I'm going to share my Scrappy kit and plans for July and August 2024. The video is different than my typical kit shares because it's my summer edition. I like to do things differently during my favorite months of the year. First, I'll share with you what's in this box. I've been tossing material here for the past few weeks with the intention of building a summer kit. I have two brand new collections and the rest is from my stash. And at the end of this video, I will talk about my summer YouTube plans. So let's have a look at what's in this box. The first collection I'm going to share with you is one of my new ones. It's Summer Vibes by echoparkpaper. What I bought was the pattern paper pack along with two solid paper packs and a handful of embellishments. So right now I'm flipping through the papers of the pattern paper pack. There are 12 different papers along with a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. It's colorful, but it has a retro vibe, and I really like that. The colors are just kind of toned down a bit, and for me, that makes these pattern papers easier to use. I love almost every one of these pattern papers except for two. The second paper I showed you wasn't among my favorites, and one towards the end, you'll see it in a little bit with sunglasses, again, not my favorite. The reason why I don't like either of those two papers is because they have kind of icons on them, and I have difficulty using that type of paper. Fortunately, in both cases, the flip side I like, so that's all good. Anyway, I love the color family in this collection. I find it's very fun. Absolutely love it. And I'm very excited about it. You never know when you're ordering online. I ordered this. Obviously, I liked it, but I liked it a lot more in person. There is the sunglasses paper I was mentioning earlier. So again, it's cute, but I know myself, I would have trouble using it. The flip side are sketchy waves. No problem at all for that. That is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I really like it. There are words, images, 12-inch border strips, really fun stuff there. I did buy two additional pattern papers, including that one that looks like a beach blanket. I absolutely love it. The other one is kind of buried. You'll see it in a moment. Here are the solid papers. So again, I bought two identical packs. I'm just going to show you one of them. Each comes with 6 papers. There are 2 of each color, and each side is a different color. I really love solid paper packs that coordinate with pattern papers. For me, it stretches a collection big time. I like to map my layouts. I like to map my photos. So it just makes my collection go that much further. So here are the embellishment packs there. You can see as well that extra striped paper. I brought that out a moment ago. Anyway, for the embellishments, I have the chipboard accents, super, super fun. Enamel dots coordinates perfectly with the kit. And here are puffy stickers. I find these really cool. They're quite big for puffy stickers. Here is an ephemera pack. I bought the titles and phrases, so lots of words and expressions. There are more embellishment packs to this collection. I narrowed myself down to 4. From my stash, I'm bringing in some alphas. So those white ones are from Vicky Boutin. Actually, they were part of an older collection, and American Crafts recently re-released them. I bought 3 packs. I love them. Those blue ones there are from the Hip Kit Club. These blue ones, these puffy ones, are from Pink Fresh Studios, Lovely Blooms. And these yellow puffy ones, again, another Hip Kit Club exclusive. All of these I felt coordinated nicely with this collection, so I brought them in. What I'm going to do with the alphas and enamel dots is put them in this large desktop pop-in organizer. The rest of the collection I'm going to put in a giant baggie and tuck it in the back of that organizer. And now I'm going to show you my second new collection. Again, from echoparkpaper, it's Let's Take the Trip. So for this one as well, I bought the pattern paper pack along with 2 solid paper packs and again a handful of embellishments. So right now I'm going to flip through the pattern papers. So there are 12 here along with a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Now you may notice the color family in this collection is very different than the color family in Summer Vibes. And I like that. That's going to give me a variety to work with this summer. Like the previous collection, there are a few papers that I don't consider among my favorites, including that one there, which basically has world landmarks on it. The flip side, the red tone on tone, I absolutely love it. So that's fun as well. Here is another one there. The flip side of that gold one had words on it, basically hello in all different languages. I loved that. I'm really digging the color family in this collection. It's kind of neutral with pops of burnt red, kind of a smoky blue, and a goldish yellow. I find it quite striking as a color palette. And again, I'm happy that it's very different than the Summer Vibes. And I love the Summer Vibes color palette as well. It's just fun to have a variety. Anyway, I'm loving all of these, but there are a few prints that I don't like. I showed you one earlier with the world landmarks on it, not my favorite type of paper, mostly because I don't know how to use it. This black one here with all the travel tags, I find this quite beautiful. It really stands out. The red tone on tone, very, very nice. This one with the license plates and travel words, I have seen this pattern in the past in other collections, but what makes this one different is the color palette. I find it very, very different. The cut parts are very fun in this collection. The polka dots there, super fun. Here's another one I probably will have trouble with. I find it super cute, different modes of transportation, but I never quite know what to do with a paper like that. The flip side, that gold map, however, I really love it. This sticker sheet, really, really fun. Once again, lots of different images, some words, 12-inch border strips. So here is the solid paper that goes with this collection. So I'm going to show you one of the two packs. Again, 6 in each pack, 2 of each color. Each side has a different color. This really does help me stretch a collection the way I like to scrapbook. So I find it more useful for me to buy extra solid paper than it is to buy extra pattern paper. It's just the way I scrapbook. So now what I'm going to do is show you the embellishments. So once again, very similar to what I bought with Summer Vibes, I have the chipboard accents. So there's words, images, stuff like that. I also bought the enamel dots to go with this collection as well. For the ephemera pieces, I bought the titles and phrases, just like the other one. Again, I had lots of choice. I could have bought many more, but I had to narrow down my selection, and I couldn't resist. I did buy the puffy stickers that went with this as well. I don't know if Echo Park Paper's been making these for a long time, the puffy stickers, but I find them different than what I'm used to for puffy stickers. They're just a little bit bigger. Here are the alphas I'm bringing in from my stash. I did not overthink this. I basically brought in 2 different alphas from Simple Stories, both black, and they coordinate nicely with this kit. So what I'm going to do is pack all this away and then come back and show you the other collections. What I'm going to show you now, I'm not going to go into detail like I just did with the 2 previous collections. These ones I have had in my scrap room for quite some time. The first one I'm going to show you is Happy Day by Coco Vanilla Studio. So I'm putting this in my kit. First of all, it's beautiful. I've had it in my scrap room for several months, even though I haven't cut into it yet. The color family for this is very bright, sunny, summery, and it is different, brighter than the Summer Vibes collection. So by having this in my kit this summer, it's just going to open up a lot of possibilities for scrapbooking for me. So in addition to the pattern paper pack, which has 16 papers and a sticker sheet, I'm showing you I also have chipboard titles there and 2 packs of identical floral ephemera packs. I like to buy floral ephemera packs in multiples because I love building floral clusters. I also have the A5 paper pack, so I have tons of that material. Here's another collection I'm going to throw in. It's Photoplay papers, Fern, and Willard. I have no idea how old this collection is, but I bought it recently at a flea market at a crop, and I find the colors really happy, joyous, summery. So what I have here are 12 papers and a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, but I think it's really fun. Now I'm going to show you two DIY collections. This one here, I created it with leftovers from a Mercy Tiara kit collection. And basically it's based on the Pebbles Sunny Blooms collection. So what I have in here are my leftovers from that collection, including paper, ephemera, titles, puppy stickers, even my scraps. And I threw in some paper from my stash from Jen Hadfield that I felt coordinated. Here's another DIY collection, again, made up of leftovers. This is made up of leftovers from a few different American craft collections, Rainbow Avenue and Valint. So these are very springy, and in there I have all of the embellishments that I have left from these collections, along with scraps, and I did add some paper from my stash as well. For that one, I think it was mostly cardstock that I added. So basically, that is what I'm going to be playing with this summer, in addition to the Mercy Tiara collections, which will be delivered for July and August. So I feel like I've got lots of possibilities there. So here I go, all set up with my kit, ready to play this summer. I did toss in a few more items, including 3 chipboard word sets from 49 and Market collections. All have vacay and sunshiny words, and the colors work. So how perfect is that? As for summer YouTube plans, you can expect videos about once a week, no fixed schedule. And for layout shares, in the past in the summer, I usually don't do them. This year, I will be sharing the projects I create with Summer Vibes and Let's Take the Trip. So those are my new echoparkpaper collections. You can look for that video around the end of August. Tomorrow, I will be back on YouTube unboxing the Summer Lovin' Kit. That's by Mercy Tiara Kits. As always, if you enjoyed this video, I'd greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did. And if you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow on YouTube. Bye-bye.